Hi, today I'm gonna eat food from Ghibli for a day. Let's go. I will go for an iconic scene from the House Moving Castle. It was the first time I used a wooden spoon to fry bacon. It was easier than I expected. This meal is only for me, so I fry only 2 eggs. I serve it with sourdough and oolong tea. What can go wrong with bacon and egg, right? I'm so hungry now. It's time for lunch, so I will go for Bonio ramen. I use Nichin chicken flavor because I don't think Bonio would eat anything spicy, but I don't break it into small pieces like her. It would be difficult for me to use chopsticks. I add all topping and cover it again. Ham and instant noodle are a perfect match. Hey, it's dinner time and I didn't eat any vegetable yet, so this evening will be vegetable soup from Secret of Ariete. I know I ate spring onion before, but it was just a garnish, so I didn't count. I blanched the broccoli and then let it sit in the cold water. Fry onion with butter until fragrant and add carrots, followed by vegetable stock. After carrots are soft, I add broccoli, milk that I dissolve cornstarch in it. I don't make it thick because I want to make the same size as the anime reference. But if you want a thick one, use cream instead of milk. Season it with salt and pepper. It is comforting and delicious.